ride with two things, a helmet and gloves. That's it. No jacket, no boots, no armored $800 cosplay. Just throttle, vibes, and maybe a sprinkle of denial. But here's the problem with that. That might be the dumbest thing I do all week. Because your skin, it's not made of Kevlar. 140 kph slide, that's 25 mph for the freedom unit folks. And you're looking like peeled mango on hot tarmac. Let's be clear, the street doesn't give a fuck how cool you look before impact. I've seen it too many times. Dudes flying off their bikes at 30 kph like it's nothing. They think, it's just a low speed spill. Tell that to the skin graft on their hip. Listen, you don't feel road rash. Not right away. You hear it. Like bacon in a pan. Except the bacon is you. So let's cut the shit. If you're rolling around in just a helmet and gloves like I used to, here's what actually saves your ass. One, armored jacket. Not your dad's old leather. CE-rated armor in the elbows, shoulders, and back. This ain't fashion week, it's crash week. Number 2, Kevlar jeans or riding pants. Regular jeans last about 0.3 seconds in a slide. These buy you precious survival time, like airbags for your knees. 3, decent boots. You ever seen a shattered ankle? Looks like a meat pinata. Boots are the difference between limping and walking away. And here's the brutal truth. No one plans to crash, but everyone dresses for the ride and not the slide. You'll feel invincible, right up until the moment your femur says, fuck you. So either dress like you respect gravity, or keep gambling that today isn't the day that asphalt fights back. Look, I'm not preaching. I'm just the guy who used to ride in a flannel shirt and now walks funny in the winter. So yeah, wear the gear, ride like an animal, but don't crash like a dumbass. And if this made you rethink your setup, smash that subscribe button, check the links for solid budget gear, and drop your worst crash story in the comments. Let's keep each other upright.